Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to remove watermark from a video. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, I just want to show you my phone Marco. This is going to use AI to remove the watermarks, and this is the tool I just installed to my PC. You can find out the link just here in my video description below, and after that I want to show you the video I made a watermark on it, so you can see this is the watermark I made by myself. So I just want to remove that with AI of this tool. So when I just add the video over here on this program, and you can see I got that. And if you just want to remove this, you have to use AI removal, or you can use manual removal. That's going to remove it like Blu-ray or something like these all stuff. So I just want to show you now here. So first one is Blu-ray, and the second one is this one. You can see you can get some part of the video and can put over here on the watermark. And the other option we got here is this, and I think the best one is AI removal. So when I choose the AI removal, just want to export and remove this video, go tap or click on export. Now just adding the watermark we just want to remove. For example, we know that TikTok is famous, and when I just write here copy, it's not going to find out that, but when I type here TikTok, it's going to find out the watermark. And we're gonna go on, click on next, and I just put my video on fast speed to be done the process. And you can search for famous watermarks to remove it with this tool. So this is all about how to remove it, and it's very easy, and you can just open the file location to check the video. So this is all about how to remove watermark from a video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.